that you already paid. So get your money's worth. Just come along for the ride. Right? Oh, one more rule. I almost forgot. It's in my brain. The more you all fine folks here tonight clap and or cheer, the better the five of us crazy cats sing. So let me hear you one more time. Come on now. Bring the funk and bring the noise.
Okay, well, the next song we're going to do for you went to the top of the charts in 1962. It's a classic by Mr. Gene Chandler. So if you know it, please sing along.
Yes, but if you don't know it, please don't sing along. It throws us off.
Yeah, all right, guys. You know how I normally sing this solo?
Oh, yeah, because I don't know why it's your solo.
Well, yeah, okay, well, look, I've been looking to turn over a new leaf. I want to be known as a nice guy for a change.
Him?
Hey, that's not a stretch.
No, look, I've been doing some research on the internet. I don't know if you know this. There's a lot of lists out there. I found the top 11 things that nice guys do. Apparently, number one is they share. They're very generous. So, I'm going to share and give this solo to one of you lucky guys. Who's ready, Peter?
Peter.
No, you're not even listening. Skinner, you do it, man.
I only sing bass.
He doesn't speak English. He speaks doomadoo and...
Oh, and
He's out. Samsky, how about you, man?
Thanks, but no thanks. I'm just the eye candy.
Obviously. Don't stare, folks. You might get a cavity on your retina.
Dale, you're all that's left, buddy. You're doing it.
Yeah, okay. Only problem is, I don't want to.
Okay, well, I don't care if you don't want to. You're doing this so that I can be nice. That's how this works? Here we go.
No, how is that being nice?
I don't care. Here we go.
Passive aggressive yet effective. All right, I need some help from any bases. All right, there any bases out there? Bases are the men
That sing like men.
All right, these guys are no help. They're men that sing like women. We call them tenors. All right, so help me out. It's pretty easy. All right? Don't worry, we keep the words easy because I can't even read. Kids stay in school. All right, it goes like this. Help me out. Not bad.
Come on, man. Look, just pretend you're singing in the shower.
You guys, this is not funny at all. Please, you can't, like, make me do a solo that's not... Donovan, please, don't... As I walk through this world, nothing can stop the Duke of Earl and you. You are my girl, and no one can harm you. Whoa, no. Yes, I'm gonna love you, and nothing can stop me now. Yes, I'm the Duke of Earl. Yeah. Okay, and as I hold you, you'll be my Duchess, the Duchess of Earl. We'll walk through my dukedom, and this paradise we will share. Yes, I'm gonna love you. Yeah. And nothing can stop me now. Yes, I'm the Duke of Earl. Yeah. So, how you doing? Meow! Do you like my suit? Thank you. It's brand new. Just needs to be pressed. Pressed up against you. I'm gonna love you, and nothing can stop me now. Yes, I'm the Duke of Earl. Yeah. So what do you say? A couple of cool cats, like, I don't know, maybe you, me. We'll bounce into a local diner, share a saucer of milk. Just for two. Your friends are not invited. I cannot afford that much milk. I can have her back by midnight, though. Maybe. I'm the Duke.
To do this song for me, but you took it in a direction I did not know it could go.
Yeah, so, right on first base.
You know, I saw my Duchess sitting down there, and I just felt
inspired.
Yeah, I felt really inspired.
Oh, Peter, hey man, what's going on? You seem kind of upset. What's the deal?
It's just... Alright, Dale, you know, I'm really happy for you and your Duchess. There seemed to be a real connection between you guys. Sparks flying, and I guess I'm just upset that I don't have a connection like that again, too.
Again? No, Peter, you're not talking about that girl again, are you?
She had a mustache, man.
Alright, hold your laughter for this one. He's just upset because all of his hair crawled down his face.
Whoa! Hey, Peter, man, I don't think that was in the nice guy manual right down those.
Sorry, Samsky.
You are a wreck, bud. Hey, we gotta do something for her.
Relax, young squabbling grasshoppers. You're like, I'm here. I have an idea. We're gonna have right here, right now, in front of all these nice people, what's gonna be referred to as, for future generations, as a Skinner. Wait for it. Vention. Oh yeah, Skinner. Yeah.
What is that?
Allow me to elaborate. It's kind of like an intervention, but better because I came up with it. Ipso facto. Anyways, it's kind of like group therapy. Yeah, where you, in front of 958, there's a lot of people in the balcony over there tonight, of your closest friends, you tell them everything about your interpersonal life, everything this girl, this date, this little hussy ever did to hurt you and harm that precious, fragile little Peter heart of yours. At the end of it, Scooter, you feel good about yourself, so go ahead.
Yeah, man, we got your back, and this audience seems very supportive. You'd have his back too, right? All right, hey, man, look, just tell him your story one last time.
Okay, do we?
She broke my heart. Because I couldn't dance. She didn't even want me around. But now I'm back. And I'm here to let you know that I can really shake them down. Hey!
Uno, dos, five!
Do you love me? Do you love me? Do you love me? Do you love me? Now that I can dance. Watch me now. Hey. Ooh. Shake it up, shake it, shake it down, shake it, work, a little shake it down. I like it like that. I can mash potato. I can do the twist. Oh, tell me, baby. Do you like it like this? Come on, tell me. Come on, tell me. Yeah, do you love me? Do you love me? Do you love me? Do you love me? Now that I can dance. Whoa. Cool drink. Cool jerk. Cool jerk. Cool jerk.
This cat we're talking about, I wonder who would be. 'Cause I know the heaviest cat you ever did see. When they see me walking down the street, all those fellas that you want to meet, all the best of the best of the best, 'cause you know I'm the king of the cool jerk. Woo! Cool jerk cat can really do the cool jerk. Come on, cool cat can really do the cool jerk. Now wait a minute, I feel alright. Now that I found my woman, I feel
shake it, shake it, shake it, baby. Ooh, here we go, loop-de-loop. Shake it up, baby, yeah. Here we go, loop-de-loop. Bend over, let me see you shake your tail feather.
Oh my God.
Bend over, let me see you shake your tail feather. Come on and let me see you shake your tail feather. Come on and let me see you shake your tail feather.
Oh, shake it up, baby.
Shake it up, baby.
Now twist and shout.
Twist and shout.
Come on, come on, come on now, baby, now.
Come on, baby.
Come on and work it on out.
Work it on out.
You know you twist your little girl.
Twist it, little girl.
You know you twist so fine, girl. Yeah, come and shake it a little closer now. And let me know that you want it right. Oh, yeah.
Ooh, beep beep, oh, beep beep, oh, beep beep, oh, beep beep, oh, na 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 na.
Oh, shake it up, baby, now. Yeah, twist and shout.
Twist and shout.
Come on, come on, come on now, baby, now.
Come on, baby.
Come on and work it on out.
Work it on out.
Yeah, shake it, baby, now. Yeah, shake it, baby, now. Yeah, shake it, baby, now. Yeah, shake it.
I'm gonna make it all so sweet.
I'm gonna make it nice so sweet.
Pop, 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 blah, blah. Thank you so much, people. Give it up for the boys. Twisting and shouting like there ain't no tomorrow. Woo!
How about salsa? Now, I think I pulled a handy and some other assorted strings.
Hey, how's it going, Freeport? You guys having a good time yet? Sweet, sweet. All right, well, I want to talk